got some pancakes, some pizza, waffles, some drumsticks, some strawberries. The regular strawberries were all not so good, rotten. And these were like, I want to say like $10. I was like, these better be good. Then $10 for some strawberries, blueberries, bananas, something quick. I'm planning on meal prepping for lunch. Some ground turkey with some sweet potatoes, with some cilantro, tomatoes, and some sour cream. Yeah. Milk, cornbread, tomato paste, mango, habanero peppers, bread, olive oil, not olive oil, avocado oil. I just wanted to give it a try. I wanted to start trying to eat, with healthy oil, and I heard avocado oil is pretty good, so let's give it a try. Cuties, grapes, and that is it. That's the end of the haul. I give it like a 6 out of 10. And Chanel, what did you give it? You give it an 8? Chanel gave it an 8 out of 10. I give it a 6 out of 10. And I also made the beef bacon. So I am meal prepping the sweet potato and the ground turkey. I'm just gonna sprinkle some seasoned salt. I'm gonna drizzle a little bit of avocado oil and pop this in the oven, and that's it. That's the oven calling me. Okay, I think this is good. And now I'm gonna start on the ground turkey. I just took the sweet potatoes out of the oven, and this is how they look. I just want to encourage anyone who's going through a hard time right now. Just remember that God is with you. Just keep praying, keep hoping. God always have a plan. So he never give us more than we can handle. Never stop believing. I'm about to record a video